Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I finally found the solution to no longer being embarrassed about wearing sandals out in public. I wish I would have found this years ago. This gel by Tree is amazing. My feet have never looked or felt softer, and I apologize for the ugly feet, but you just have to see the difference. As an experiment, I used this gel on my left foot only for a few weeks, nothing else on either, and look at the contrast. It just was amazing how well it worked. So then I tried it on my right foot with a little bit heavier application, and within a few days, both feet were sandal ready. I have very sensitive skin and I had no reaction and didn't even notice a smell. A few things to keep in mind. This product was designed to help soften calluses and thick toenails, and it really works well because the 42% urea gel and salicylic acid break down the dead skin. For best results, you're gonna want to clean your feet first and use at night. It has a texture that feels a little bit similar to hair gel, so you're gonna notice when you first put it on, it might feel a little sticky, but as long as I didn't use over the pea-sized amount recommended, that tacky feeling went away as soon as it dried. Now, you're gonna notice your feet are gonna feel super soft after the first application, but if you're not using the Tree foot scrubber, be sure to be patient. It takes a while to see the results, a few days, but it is well worth the wait. You can also tell that Tree really cares about their products and their customers. As you can see, this gel is just amazing, but you might just have to try it yourself and see. And that's my point of view.